Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. Today I wanted to go over a couple of watches that I have here in my collection. But before we get started, I just want to make sure that if you like this comment, give the thumbs up, like, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. A lot of these watches I've done individual reviews on, and some I will do individual reviews on that I haven't done so far. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into this. I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, and today I have a really nice. It's an homage, a Tissot homage. It's made by a company called Denvosi, and it is strikingly similar to a Tissot PRX automatic. It is a beautiful watch. It's got the gunmetal kind of brushed stainless. Really, really nice quality build on this watch. It is not an automatic, but it does resemble the Tissot PRX automatic very, very closely, right down to the face being blue with the waffle pattern on it. Very, very, very nice looking watch. Um, Undistinguishable from a distance. Anybody that knows what a Tissot PRX is, they would really just think you have a Tissot PRX, and it's I believe it's an $800 watch right now, and I did not spend $800 for this watch. I spent somewhere in the neighborhood of $20 for this watch. So very, very nice, good quality watch. For the price, you're definitely getting a lot. There's a few different watches here with the luminous crystal with the pyramiding effect. I have a few of those. These are OLEVS watches. Very, very nice quality watch. These watches are available online right now on Amazon for around $39. I have all the versions of it. The only one that I don't have displayed here is the gold one, but I do have the silver with black. Silver with black. I have the silver with blue, and I also have, let's see here, I have, oh, the solid black on black right here. So yeah, really, really like these crystals, what they're doing with the pyramiding effect on the crystals. Now, this is the OLEVS brand. This is a 39, roughly $40 watch. But I did notice that Bin Bond had a similar watch with the crystal. It looks very similar to the OLEVS watch that you see in the background here, but very similar with the day-date format. Looks like we're in the middle of it changing. I must have it set at midnight because it's changing in between. So let's adjust that for the camera here. There we go. All right, so this is very, very similar to the OLEVS crystal watch, but I do honestly, I like the band a lot better on this one, even though the OLEVS has the Jubilee bracelet. I really, really like the one on the Bin Bond. Very, very nice watch. Big difference in the price too. I think this was somewhere in the neighborhood of $15 to $20 as opposed to $40 for the OLEVS, but the quality is not the same. It's very, very good quality, don't get me wrong, but it's just not the same. I also have the Richard Milles up at the top here. I've done solid reviews on all of these Richard Mille watches. Very, very good quality watches, nice prices. I've got most of these watches I have links to. Affiliate links on Amazon, and I will post affiliate links in the description below for most of these watches. If you want to take a look at them, head on over to Amazon and pick one up. This is a Rolex Submariner OLEVS watch. From a distance, you would not be able to tell that it isn't a Rolex. Up close, obviously, it's not the same quality as a Rolex, but it is very, very nice. Very good quality watch. Nice build on these OLEVS watches. It looks so similar to a Rolex that it could be mistaken from a distance. This is another, looks like either a Yachtmaster or a Daytona, but it is a diver. I wouldn't say it looks like a Submariner because the Submariner doesn't have the subdials. and this one does. So I'd say probably like a Yachtmaster um, or a Daytona. If you guys have any more information on what this one might look like, let me know in the description below. But this is a very nice watch made by the company Homage. Very, very nice watch. Good build quality on this one too. Nice and tight. Good rotating bezel. Everything works as it should on these watches. If you've seen any of my other watch videos, you'll know that I don't like watches that have fake subdials and things that don't work on them when they should. So all the watches that I'm showing you here are watches that I would actually wear myself. Um, I'm particularly fond of these Richard Mille watches. I love how they've got the engine look to them. Lots of different features on these watches that are just really, really nice watches. Good quality build on these as well. And definitely you get a lot of compliments wearing these things. Comfortable too with the silicone bands. Very, very comfortable watch, especially because they vent the silicone bands. Some solid silicone bands don't feel as comfortable, but they've got the slotted vents on these to try and mimic the actual Richard Mille design, which I believe the Richard Mille has the straight flat vents. But I am a fan of these angled ones here on this watch. Beautiful design on all of these Richard Mille watches, and also these OLEVS. So we've got bin bond, we've got OLEVS, we've got pin time, we've got mini focus, we've got Denvasi, and we've got Commandeer. We've got a ton of different watches here for you guys to check out. Like I said, I will post some links below in the description within the next day or two. But I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what was actually in this collection, so that you guys could take a good look at what we've got here. This is probably 1/8 of all the watches that I have in my collection. So I will start posting more bulk listings with a lot of my watches, so that way you guys can get a good idea of what's in it. Now, if there's anything you guys want to see, make sure you let me know in the descriptions, because I'll probably just pick up the watch and do a review on it if there's something that you actually do want to see. But other than that, I'm getting new watches in all the time, every day. I've got watches on order, like seriously ad nauseum. They're constantly on order, so I get new watches in every single day. I'm posting new watch videos all the time, and I'm looking forward to seeing any likes, comments, and I love to see those subscriptions coming in. This was a unique watch that I had picked up. This one wasn't too expensive, but it was I can't remember what the actual price was, but it's a very unique looking watch. I think it actually looks very nice. It's got the leather band. But I can't speak to the duration of this watch, because it wasn't a very expensive watch. Some of these watches, you buy them and you hope for the best on some of them, but I'm pretty much here to go through the best ones. So I show you guys the best of what I find, the picks of the litter, and I let you know which ones I recommend the most. And the most recent one that I received is this one. I got this one yesterday, and honestly, I love it. It's a great watch. It's so similar to the original. Very, very, very nice watch. And I'd have to say second, I mean, I'm entirely impressed with these Richard Mille watches. I just really love them. They're great watches. And so if you guys are looking for any decent budget-friendly watches and you don't want to break the bank, definitely check out my channel. And that's what I do. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman. I don't believe you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you want a really nice watch collection and you don't want to break the bank, then this is the channel you're going to need to stay tuned to. Dave the Watchman, like I said, thumbs up, like, subscribe, show me the love. Leave any comments in the comment section below, and I will respond to comments. So until next time, I am out of here. You guys have a great day. Dave the Watchman, I'm out.